Hey everyone, and welcome to Vortex Airdrop Live number 26. So, I did not promote this airdrop at all, and this is a transition one because we wrapped up with airdrop number 25, the Vitru airdrops, and we are now transitioning to a pure kind of Vortex airdrop scenario. So maybe it won't be that well attended today, and that's fine. I'm still kind of working on what the model will be moving forward. I do want to introduce some more fun games and things like that. So what we'll do is we'll have a chill one today, a chill airdrop today. We'll do the usual magic squares, and then we'll do a creator airdrop, and that will be it for today. So it'll be a very quick one. Let's see who's here. G Giant is here first. There's Sharon. Hi guys. Ready Freddy's here. Marriott. We thought we were done with airdrops. Well, no, we aren't. We are going to have them for a while, possibly another month or so. I think. Wealthy King says, "Damn you back already." Hello, Dreamer. Dreamer says, "Hi, dear Nick." There's Dolores. Vitruvian Masterpiece is here. C Popa is here. JA is here. Um, yeah, I was already on earlier today where we discussed the Vibe plan, the Vitruvio income building engine, and now we're just kind of following through with what we're doing with Vortex. Um, so I've spent a fair bit of time today working on finishing up a worksheet that I promised the community. So that is people are waiting with apprehension for that. So I want to make that sure that gets out as quickly as possible. And also today and yesterday, actually, we transitioned from Vitru Studio to enabling a bunch of features that creators have been asking for. We knew that we were going to do them. It just wasn't the time wasn't right, but now it is, and that is enabling artists to consign as many artworks as they want at whatever price they want. So that's all coming up. Um, Wealthy King is watching while having a shower. Wow, that's different. No doubles today. Yeah, so we're gonna take a pause on doubles for a bit, just to be fair to the community. There's a lot of people minting a Vortex for the purpose of getting into Vibe, and so I want to be mindful of that and resume the airdrops after we've resume the larger scale kind of airdrops after we've crossed the 25K threshold, and we are very close to that. I think we are at what 18.5 or something like that. And so I want to be mindful of and respectful of the community because a lot of people are mining, not mining. My head's in blockchain, minting the Vortex in order to get the Vibe benefit. So I want to be respectful for that. All right. So what we'll do today is we'll do our usual Magic Squares single drops, and we'll do some creator drops, and we'll call it a day, night, whatever you want to call it. And the next one, which I believe is scheduled for Thursday at the same time, perhaps. No, it might be in the AM. I have to go look. I posted the schedule, but in any event, I'll introduce at least one new airdrop mechanism there, and I think it's one that you're gonna love. It's a very popular way to pick winners, and I think you're gonna like it. Um, and SH asked about the 10K. Yeah, excuse me. Lots of people ask about the 10K special, and I will get it done. Just and there's also some pending drops from the 26th, I believe. So we'll get all of those wrapped up. And CK says that's cool. Yes, I do like it. It's my daughter gave it to me for Father's Day, the Vitruvian Man. So happy about that. All right. So what we're going to do is dive right into airdrop updates today. I think most of the folks that are here are already familiar with Vortex, so I don't believe I need to do any kind of overview. But what I will do is talk a little bit about how we're going to do this in case you haven't done this before. So what's going to happen in about a minute is I'm going to enable a form that you can find if you go to the first address in this list here, the one that says everyone. Oh, wait, I got to share my screen. There we go. So the address at the top here, which says bitru.xyz/airdrop-address, you want to go there, and you're going to find a new form there, and that form is waiting for input, your input, but it's not yet enabled. So just wait a moment, and I'm going to enable it, and we're going to get these responses in. The response has to be an address, an EVM compatible address, so Ethereum Vitruvio address. And then what we'll do is we usually let it go until about 200. And then what I do is I break that up into batches of 100 each. And from those 100, I pick 10 winners who are airdropped Vortex. G Giant says some cool pics displaying behind you. I appreciate that, G Giant. So what I have done there, what you're seeing there, is my album of photos I have taken over time, and kind of curated my own collection. So these are my travels and my photos. So all right. So I think we can start this here. All right. The key thing to note is that address form is pretty unforgiving. You need to copy your address right now and test it out, paste it somewhere, and make sure there's no spaces, make sure there's no extra characters, no commas, no extra, I don't know, new lines or whatever. It has to be an address and nothing but the address. Otherwise, it will fail. All right. So if you're ready for getting your address in, I am going to enable the form now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let her go. Let's go. And let's see what you got. All right. Here come the addresses. Quite a few of them. I think it'll probably be a little on the slow side today because of the fact that there aren't as many users. But that might work out well for everybody. Yeah, so we've got 70 addresses in. Let's get some music going. Wow, we're at 150. And fast fingers, everybody. Such fast fingers. We're all gonna win. Woohoo! All right, I'm getting ready to shut this down now. We are at 199, and there we go. 211. Now let's take some time to clean up these addresses and make sure there's no duplicates and bad addresses and things like that. So give me a moment. I'm gonna do that. Oh, I do see some problem addresses. Gotta fix them. All right, let's go ahead and get going on processing these. And let's clean this. No duplicate rows found. All right, so we've got ourselves a good set of addresses. We're gonna get going here. Let's get the first batch. Here we go. We are ready to play market squares. Actually, this track has vocals. So let's switch to another one without vocals because it's a bit too much for me to handle. I don't know what it's like at your end, but all right. So now we are ready and loaded. Wait a minute. How is that saying 99 when it should be 100? We're one short. Give me a moment here. I'm going to fix this problem. Okay, we're gonna have to reload the deck here because I was off by 1. And now I'm not. I haven't got them. So the whole board should fill up here, and it does now. So we are good. Okay. Um, Good luck, everybody. And we are ready to go. And let's go. So we're gonna pick 10 winners from this set here. Winner number one is up, 9610. Congratulations to you. All right, and I'm gonna get this address recorded, and in just a moment, I'm gonna show you where you can check that. So we've got winner number two, and let me get that recorded, and then I'll show you before I pick winner number three. All right, so if you want to know if you won, then you can go to bitru.xyz/vortex-winners, and that's updated in real time. So you can go there and see if you have won, and let's continue. All right, and that's number three. If I sound a bit low energy, it's because I've been up since 2 a.m. I woke up early in order to work on the vibe model and all that. And also today, I should have looked at the calendar. I don't look at the calendar as much as I should. But my wife and daughters, they went to see Mrs. Doubtfire, the musical. It's playing at the San Francisco Orpheum Theater. And so I'm here watching my dad and taking care of his meal and dinner and medicine, all of that kind of stuff, and also taking care of the doggies. So it's been a bit of been an extra busy evening. And let's see, that's 4 done. One more to go. Moonlight Short says the form is not working. That's correct. It should not work right now because it is closed. All right, number 5 coming up. And now number 6. The forms are only active for like, I don't know, 60 seconds or so at a time in the session. And then they're closed. So the creator airdrop, we haven't reached that part yet. But the first one, the airdrop address part, that is done already. So you'll have to wait until the next airdrop. All right, so we're going to pick 10 addresses from this batch. And we are already at address number 7. So congratulations to all you winners. Let's go with 8. There we go, winner number 8. And now it's time for winner number 9. There is winner number 9. And finally, from this batch, winner number 10, coming right up. All right, congratulations to this set of 10 Vortex NFT winners. So that deck is set. There's 10 of you on here now. Now it's time to do a new batch. So let's get that batch loaded up and ready to go. Oh, Vijay won Magic Squares today. Good day for you. All right, congratulations, Vijay. This layout looks different. What is different about it? Oh, you know what? I know what it is. There we go. This is what I can see the whole screen that way. All right, it's time for us to get the next batch. So let me go and do that. Working on it. And there I have it. Okay, there we go. And let's light it up. SH1, woohoo! All right. Now, if there are creators in the audience, hang tight. We're going to do a creator airdrop next. The only requirement is that you be already consigned, and your consignment has to be approved on Vitruvio already. So if you are that, then you're going to be able to play. We are working very hard on a new feature of Studio, which will allow you to consign multiple artworks and also have a variable price. So that's the key thing we're working on. That'll enable many more artists who are waiting patiently to get going. We appreciate that. We appreciate your patience. We're also working on. We have basically a 30-day deadline because we have a partner and we are launching Vitru Store, which is our marketplace software. So ordinarily on most blockchains, you have a few marketplaces run by, a handful of companies, but on Vitruvio, we plan on having hundreds, if not thousands. So let's see. Someone is reporting that this creator airdrop thing is incorrect. Let me just verify that. All right, I see the problem. Let me fix that before we do the creator airdrops. Give me a moment. Thank you for pointing that out. Appreciate that very much. Let me get that resolved. And let's test it again. Thank you for pointing that out. That would not be good if it was broken like that. Oh, I know why it's broken. It's broken. Let's see here. Actually, it's not broken. The title is not changed. So actually the information is correct. Let me test again and make sure. Yep, there we go. Okay, it's corrected now. Thank you for that. I just hadn't updated the text on the form. All right, we'll continue with this airdrop number 5. But thank you very much for pointing that and bringing that to my attention. So we are looking for winner number 15 for today. Does it say June 2? It should not say June 2. It should say July 2. Let's see. Try again. There you go. All right. So we have 16 winners. That's winner number 6 for this batch. Winner number 7 is up. All righty. And here comes winner number 8. All right. And two more to go from this batch. And let's get winner number 19 on the board, B7 5D. Congratulations. And one more from this batch. That will bring us to 20. Now, I have a small dilemma. There are, in this list, there are an additional 13 entries. So I'm going to go ahead and reload the board one more time and pick one more winner from the last 13. All right, they just got in there. So let's just go ahead and pick one more from here, and that'll make it 21 for the day. All right, and then we can add. We'll still do 10 for creators, but I'll get this one extra one in. I just think it's fair. So here we go. If you are just one of the last entries that came in, maybe you'll get picked here. And E8 E6. That is winner number 21. All right. And we are ready to rock and roll with our creators. But first of all, congratulations to all the 21 winners. And you will each be airdropped a Vortex NFT. And in addition, because the total minting is still below 25K, you will also get a shiny new Vibe token. And that token basically enables you to get revenue share for life. Where do you find the creator address? All right, we'll get to that here in a second now. All right, so let's transition over to the next airdrop, which is the creator airdrop. And I'll enable that form in a moment, but I want to tell you about how that form works and get you queued up for that. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to search.vitruvio.xyz. Let me find that banner here. Do I have it? Yep, I do. All right, you're going to go to that, and you can find any artwork there that your heart desires. Wait, did I go? Yeah, I do this frequently. I don't reload the site before, and so I end up with yeah, this is still not fully. I'm working with a cached copy. Give me 1 second here. I'm going to clear this cache here. All right, there we go. I think it's cleared now. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to this, and you will click on any of these artworks. So let's click on that one, and then click on view. And here's what you have to do. You need to copy this full URL, everything, the HTTPS and everything, all of it. All right, that's what you have to copy and be ready to post, and we'll go from there. So that's the name of the game, which is Creator Magic Drop and Magic Squares rather. And I'm going to enable the creator form in just a moment, and it will only accept a URL. It'll only accept a link. All right. So are you ready, creators? Each of you who wins here, and by the way, don't be shy about maybe entering your friends artworks in there. That's perfectly legit. You can do that if you would like. All right, now I'm going to enable the responses for this form. We are looking at the second form here, the one that says creators. That's the one you're going to go to, and you're going to enter the URL of an artwork that is ready to go. Moonlight Short says, that's not fair, the form didn't work. I have no idea what you're talking about because we haven't even enabled the form yet. All right, and let's see. Okay. All right, is everyone ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go for it. The form is now active and ready to get your URLs in there. And I see them coming in fast and furious. I see older URLs. I see Bonafide and Gabor submitted old URLs. So you probably need to hit reload on your browser. I see Dolores also has an older one, Real McCoy. So if what I'm looking for is if you go, we updated the site recently, and the URL has look at the format on the form. It's given exactly. It's got the artist name, slash, and a number. If there's another slash followed by more numbers, it's old, and it's probably going to cause some problems here. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll do the best we can. All right. And it's going. Let's see, we are at 37. All right, you want to go to the creators link here, vitru.xyz/creator-airdrop. All right, that's the link you want to go to, and that's where you can submit a form. All right, we're at about 40 there right now, which is a good number of creators for not having promoted this live. So thanks all for here. I see a lot of familiar names, which is good. So we're at 42 now. I think we can wait just a little bit more and cap this off at 50. It's already slowed down though, so maybe that's what it's going to be. It's going to be 42. I see a couple more coming in. So, yep. All right. There we go. Let's wrap it up then and start our airdrop. All right. I'm going to close the form in 5, 4, 3, 2, and done. All right. Now I need to validate these and make sure there aren't duplicates and the like, and then we'll start playing creator magic squares, right? All right, data cleanup, remove duplicates. All right, we just had one duplicate today, which is pretty good. And I need to, give me one moment, I need to find, so it looks like some of these are not gonna work. I'm gonna need to do a little tiny bit of extra work. So please bear with me. I am working on it. And let's see here. Okay, I think we can, yep, that worked. All right, so I just had to make some changes to the form here to make everything work correctly, and it seems to be okay now. All right, so we're gonna load up these addresses and get going and play creator magic squares. So we have about 46 addresses here, and what we'll do is, since it's not a very large number, we'll let me go to the winners here and say, so I was originally going to pick a 10, but let's see, I guess we can still do that. We'll still do 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll tell you what, just to balance it out for the day, because we picked one extra on the other ones and there aren't as many entries on the creators, we'll pick 9. All right, so we'll pick 9, and that'll make it an even 30 for the day. And let's get going. So good luck to all you creators, and let's go. And now these links have names, so I can tell who's winning. So who's our first winner going to be? It's Hamburg. Congratulations, Hamburg. Our first creator winner for the night. For me, the night. I don't know what it's for you. All right. And Dolores wins. Yay, Dolores. Congratulations. Congratulations. Get you in here. All right. And next winner coming right up. Hi, Garfield. Vedika says, where can we find the form URL? So the form URL is actually right here, but now it's done. So hopefully you got in. D Hayes, you're a winner. Congratulations. Let's pick another one. It is Karishma Artworks. Hi, Karishma. Congratulations. Um, you are a winner. Let's pick the next one. Teresa wins. Congratulations, Teresa. Teresa is one of our teen artists in the ecosystem of very talented artists. Congratulations to you. And let's go. Pratik says, am I winning again? I don't know yet. You have 4 more shots at it, Pratik. Let's see. Ronaldo wins. Congratulations, Ronaldo. And next up, it's MBAGH M Bug Bunny. Congratulations to you. You are a winner of a Vortex NFT. Pratik, 2 more shots at this, my friend. Let's go. And it's Sima Art. Sima Art, congratulations to you. You won yourself a Vortex NFT. Now, on these, I don't know for sure if the artist entered it or if it was entered by someone else on behalf of the artist. So they might not be here, but I do post on X immediately afterward. So people do find out that way. And Stanley17 is our last creator winner for the day. All right. Congratulations to you, Stanley. All right. And as I mentioned, today is kind of low-key. We are getting through these very rapidly. And I am going to introduce some new models, some new games and all that in the next time we do this. So, but for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and do the airdrop for these. So sit tight. Give me a moment here. We'll get the fulfillment done, and you can tell me what a rarity you got. So I'll show you how you can check that in just a moment if you don't already know. All right, just getting all these queued up and ready to go. So 1 second here. I'm finished queuing up and getting ready the excuse me, the single drops. Now I'm working on the creators. Bear with me. It'll be just moments, and then we'll be able to do the airdrops and find out who won what. And I'll show you also where you can go and check that. So almost ready to do this. So with the artists, what I have is basically what's called an asset key, which is a unique identifier for their asset. And what I have to do is reverse engineer it and get their vault ID. So one of the things that happens is the first time you consign anything on Vitruvio, a new smart contract is created for every artist automatically. It's called the vault, and that vault is where all the artists' artworks are minted from. So anytime anyone mints one, its origin will be that vault. And then also anytime any funds come in, they are delivered to that vault, thus ensuring the security for the creator. Because now it means that a hacker, if they get their wallet address, and if it's compromised, we intend to have multi-sig for those vaults, so that will prevent only one user from being able to essentially steal all your funds. All right, I got all the creator vault addresses, and from there I got all their wallet addresses, and I'm ready to rock and roll. And momentarily, we will see this drop happening, and it'll be the best thing in the world. And Let's just make sure everything is accurate, and we are ready to go. And we are done. All right, so let's see if that worked. It did work, but let's verify that. For that, we go to Explorer and we look at the transactions. And we should see a bunch of them at the moment. We should see exactly 30 of them, actually. You can see that there's one Mint admin. And if I hit reload, I should be able to see the others. We should see a stream of them. And there we go. So there's a stream of them there. All right. So now, if you're one of the lucky winners and you want to tell what you have, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to scope.vitruvio.xyz and go to that page. And what you're going to see is all your, and then go to Vortex NFTs. You'll need to connect your wallet. It's not connected. And then you'll see all your NFTs grouped by rarity, and also then serial number and the name. So this is all very, very good. Now, before we sign off on this, I do want to hear from people and on what they won, but I want to show you something really, really cool that came across my desk here today. So hang on a moment. I'm gonna bring it up here. Someone in the community has created this, and I have to ask them permission if I can use it. At the moment, I'm just going to show it. So, but I will get permission from them to use it. So give me a moment. I'm gonna share my screen. I have to do this slightly differently. Bear with me. Oh, yikes, that didn't open. That didn't work properly the way I intended it to work. All right, we're going to try this a different way. I can't seem to get this to show up on my screen and share it. So that's okay. I will try one more way, and okay, I finally got it to work. Okay, let me share my screen here and show you the cool thing I'm talking about. So all the NFTs, all the Vortex NFTs have a unique rarity and a unique symbol. And what you're seeing here is an artwork, an infographic someone in the community created. And what it does is it basically has the hierarchy of the symbols. And these symbols are going to be very relevant very shortly. But what you have is you have internal traits and you have external traits. And then within internal, you have self-awareness, personal strength. And external, you have worldly engagement and environmental interaction. And then within those, you have more mental ability, moral integrity. And finally, they're divided into 6 symbols or glyphs. And the same goes for all of them. Now, if you're a creator, you want to pay attention to this because this gives you some insight visually into the creator challenge here, because we have a challenge for you to create the card designs, and this will be helpful to you. So thank you to whoever did this. It's an amazing job. I really like how well it's organized, and it goes down to the 24 main symbols here at the end, and it gives you their English meaning and also their runic. I guess that's a runic way to express it, and it's pretty cool. It's very, very cool. I like it a lot. So thank you for that. All right, I think that is it for today, folks. We we had on the agenda to just do these basic airdrops, and now what we're going to do is we're going to introduce some new concepts and some new games. And what we'll do here is wrap it up. But before we wrap it up, let's take a quick peek at where we are mint-wise. So, wow, we're doing pretty darn good. Let me share my screen again and show you. So it looks like we are at 18,776 mints for Vortex, which is pretty amazing. That's almost, I think, 6,000 or so mints in just 3 days. And we are very fast approaching the 25K cutoff. After 25K, a Vibe NFT is not guaranteed, and it becomes a random, a 1 in 3 chance of winning, and that's 75,000 NFTs there. All right. Vedika says, "Hey Nick, for the next airdrop, where you can find the form URL to paste." Yeah, I go through that every single time. Every single time I go step by step and explain what it is there. So, yep, already doing what you've requested. All right, so that is it for today. Let me go ahead and look at the schedule. All right, so the next one is, in fact, tomorrow night. Yeah, it's tomorrow at the same time, 10 p.m. PST, 5 a.m. UTC. I'll join you again, and we'll do this. I will optimistically try and be ready with this new game, and it'll be a little bit of fun. So I appreciate everyone who is here for this. Congratulations to all the winners, and I'll see you again here same time tomorrow. All right, have a wonderful day, everybody. Bye.